I welcome you all. This is Jagadeesan, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering in RMD Engineering College. In this video, we have to see the REST application development using Spring Boot and JPA. So in this video, we learn about serialization and deserialization. Serialization and deserialization are process used to convert the object and form of format that can be easily stored or transmitted for the client and server. So serialization and deserialization in the Spring Boot application, you can work with JSON or XML format for serialization and deserialization. Then Spring Boot provides supports for this format through Jackson library and other libraries also. Using Jackson for JSON, serialization and deserialization, Jackson is a popular library for JSON processing in Java application. In Spring Boot, includes the Jackson by default. In this example, we have to learn about serialization and deserialization. In this example, the person.java class is there. In that, we have to import the package, import with help of import keyword. Then public class person is a class. At JSON property, we have mentioned here name here. Here public, private, or we can declare the access specifier. Then string name is there. So name can be an attribute is declared here. In that attribute, the another name can be mentioned at JSON property. At JSON property, age is there. So private int age. Then finally, we have to give the getter and setter. For the person class only, we are going to write the serialization and deserialization code. For the first example, we can see the serialization example. Import the package name should be there. Here, the object mapper class can be used here. Then IO exception. If any error is there for throwing purpose, we have to use IO exception class. Then public class JSON serialized demo is a name of the class. Then public static void main string args. First, we have to create the object. So object can be converted to the JSON format is nothing but serialization. So that the person is a class. Okay, with help of that, we have to create a object person equal to new person. We are going to pass the two things. One is name, another one is age. The previous class, the person class having two attributes. So that we can mention two attributes, so that name and age. So John Doe and age is 30. So with help of object mapper class, mapper is a object equal to new object mapper class. With help of that, we are going to conversion should be happen. JSON string object equal to the what should be the mapper class the dot right value as string person. We are going to pass that method. We are going to passing the object. Finally, we have to get the output. What format? JSON format. That is a serialization. System.out.println serialize the JSON. The JSON string with help of JSON string object, we are going to get the JSON output. If any error is there, the cache will handle the error. Finally, is going to print the error. Otherwise, the output can be JSON format. The object format converted to the JSON format. So it is called serialization. Deserialization. Here we can pass the input as a JSON format. We have to get the output as the object format. First, we have to give the input. Input, we have to declare the object, packages, then error handling classes. First, we are going to, after input, we are going to write the class, public class, JSON, serialized demo. In that, we are going to write the main function, and then we are going to pass JSON string object. With help of that, we are going to name John Doe, age 30. We are going to pass. Here also we can use in the object mapper class only, object mapper. With the help of that, we are going to conversion should be happen. In try block, we are going to write the person class, person object, mapper object dot read value. With the, here we are going to pass the two arguments, JSON string as well as the person class. After that, deserialization person, we are going to get the input with the help of the object, so that JSON format can be converted to the object. So person dot get name, person dot get age. Two values only we have mentioned already person class. So we are going to get the two output in a JSON or JSON format is input. In that from that JSON format we are going to get the output is the object. With help of the object we are going to print the output. If any error is there, the catch block will be handle the errors. Thank you.